Welcome to the 3D Ghost universe, a place dedicated to 3D creation and 3D printing. In this video, I will talk about how to choose the size of your nozzle regarding what you want to do with your print, and then I will quickly explain to you how to change it on the extruder of your 3D printer. Nozzles are the last part of your 3D printer from where the PLA, for example, is coming out of the extruder. Coming with your 3D printer, or mainly when you are buying nozzles, you will have various sizes from 0.2 to 1 mm. Size is impacting the quality and the speed of your printing. A big nozzle of 1 mm, for example, will allow you to have a quicker print, but the quality and the precision will be lower. So you have to remember that bigger ones are made for large geometrical prints, for example, but no precision print. And of course, with the smallest, you will have longer print, but the quality and the precision will be much higher. So for a good small print, if you want to have details, you need to have a smaller nozzle. To simplify what you have to remember at the beginning, you have to know that 0.2 is great for high detailed small parts. 0.4 is the regular nozzle. You can almost print everything with this kind of nozzle. 0.5 will be the minimum size for special materials like wood or PLA black carbon, for example. 1 mm will be good for big geometrical prints and for transparency effects with a transparent PLA. But at the very beginning of your journey, stay with 0.4. It's great, it's almost working with everything except special materials. Changing a nozzle is quite easy. You just have to adjust the Z-axis in order to have access to the nozzle. You have to go to a high temperature, 190 degrees for example, in order to have a hot nozzle. Then you will be able to clean the nozzle and the extruder with a wire toothbrush. Then you will use a spanner that you probably have with your 3D printer, or a little tool like this one that I bought, very useful. And finally, you just have to do the reverse operation. It's an easy operation, and the only thing that you will have to be careful about is your finger not touching the hot extruder.